Now let's say you want to use this Google's Nano Banana model in your application, and it accepts images and you can pass multiple images and a prompt to it. Now let's see how to implement an image uploader that we can use to upload images in our application. So what we need to do is we have to use S3 uploader component, which is provided by Indicate in @component /UI /S3 uploader. It accepts a pre-signed route provider where we have to implement a API that is going to validate if a user should be able to upload a file or not depending on his plan. So now let's implement it. We can use cursor to implement it. So what we need to do is we have to give it a reference. So inside API /app /me /upload avatar, we have already implemented basic code. You can ask AI to implement pre-signed route provider for uploading images in /API /app /upload input images. Take reference from the avatar and support multiple images. Let's wait for it. Now here we can see that AI is done coding. Now let's see. So we have a button which when clicked, we are able to select the images. As we can upload the multiple images, I am able to select the multiple images. Let's open the files. Here we can see that Indicate is automatically uploading this file to the S3. Let's take a look at upload input images. Here we can see that after basic validation, the S3 path is public /user/user ID /images/file UUID. So that way we are able to organize our files in the users directory, and we are able to construct the path on the backend instead of front end. So that makes our Indicate implementation more secure. You can also check if user has a valid plan or not before uploading the image so that your storage is not abused. After uploading the files, you can use the file URLs in your code or to call the replicate API. If you do not want to use that uploader button and you want to upload something in your code, on the client side, you can use client S3 uploader class and you can instantiate it using pre-signed route provider. And after the uploader has been created, you can upload the file by calling uploader.upload file, and you can pass the file and metadata if you want to. So that way you can upload the file from your client side code, and if you want to upload the file from your backend, then you can use src/lib/s3/upload from server. Here you can pass the file and the path and the content type. That way your file will be uploaded directly from your backend server to the S3.